Hey there, today we're going to tackle a little problem regarding authentication in an Angular project. So, the problem we have is that we're using the angular-oauth2-oidc project for OpenID, but we need to disable authentication for certain routes. Tricky, right? The solution to this problem is quite simple yet effective. What we need to do is change the bootstrapped component to handle the exclusion of routes. Instead of initializing the code flow in the main component, we should do it in a component specifically designed for authorized URLs. Here's a tip. Create a main component along with two additional components for authorized and non-authorized URLs. After that, bootstrap the main component in the main module, and based on the user's routing, load either the authorized or non-authorized component accordingly. Voila! Problem solved. Remember, it's crucial to manage your routes effectively and ensure that the authentication process aligns with your project's requirements. By following this solution, you'll have a more streamlined and secure authentication process in your Angular project. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope this solution helps you tackle any authentication challenges you may encounter in your Angular projects. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.